Step 4. Insurance and protection plans. This is where a lot of new hosts make a critical mistake. They think Turo's protection is enough. It's not. You need multiple layers of protection to truly safeguard your investment. Turo insurance versus commercial insurance. What's the difference? A lot of new hosts get confused about this, so let me break it down real simple. Turo's protection covers you when the car is on a trip, meaning a guest has booked it and is actively using it. It covers third-party liability, physical damage to your vehicle, and theft. Commercial auto insurance covers you when the car is not on a trip, when it's parked at your house, when you're driving it to the car wash, when it's being delivered to a guest. It also provides an extra layer of liability protection that can save you if something goes really wrong. Think of it this way. Turo's protection is your primary shield. Commercial insurance is your backup shield. You need both. Don't go into battle with just one. Let me be crystal clear about what Turo's protection plans actually are. They're not traditional insurance policies. They're contractual agreements with Turo that define your financial responsibility if something goes wrong. Turo partners with travelers to provide the liability coverage, but the physical damage protection is a Turo product, not an insurance policy. Turo offers 5 protection plan tiers for hosts: the 60, 75, 80, 85, and 90 plans. The number represents the percentage of the trip price you keep. The 60 plan has a $0 deductible, but you only keep 60% of the revenue. The 75 plan has a $250 deductible, and you keep 75%. The 80 plan has a $750 deductible. The 85 plan has a $1,625 deductible. And the 90 plan has a whopping $2,500 deductible. Now, here's a critical update. As of June 2025, hosts on the 75 plan are no longer eligible for replacement vehicle reimbursement. That's a big deal. If your car is in the shop for a week, you're out that income. For that reason, I now recommend the 80 plan for new hosts. It has a higher deductible at $750, but you keep 80% of your revenue and you're still eligible for replacement vehicle reimbursement. It's the new sweet spot for serious hosts. In Nevada, if you're operating a business, you need commercial auto insurance. This is not optional. It's a legal requirement. I use Lula, but there are other great options out there. Expect to pay around $150 to $250 a month per vehicle for this. Follow us on X, Blue Sky, and YouTube at Take the Wheel XYZ. Join the community and subscribe to the Take the Wheel newsletter for weekly data-driven Turo hosting strategies. TakeTheWheel.xyz.